Hello my dear students. So today we'll proceed with the next problems, continuation part. Fifth one, if P of A is equal to 6 by 11, P of B 5 by 11 and P of A union B is equal to 7 by 11, find P of A intersection B, P of A by B, P of B by A. So three parts they have said you to find out. Now here they have given you P of A, P of B and P of A union B. They are asking you A intersection B. So which formula you can use? At the start itself I had said you write it whatever they have given. P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B, as we have done in sets of numbers of, right? Just n changing to P. So P of A union B we know that is 7 by 11. P of A also we have, P of B also we have. From here we can get our P of A intersection B, right? So you have 7 by 11, 6 by 11 plus 5 by 11 minus P of A intersection B. Calculate it. Yes, this if you add taking the LCM you will get 1. Finding your P of A intersection B. Take this to other side, you will get minus 4 by 11 is equal to minus P of A intersection B. So you can deduct the minus sign and you will be having 4 by 11. Next they have asked P of A by B, how it is given P of A intersection B divided by P of B. A intersection B we have got it, that is 4 by 11. P of B also they have already given, that is 5 by 11. Yes, but when you take it to the upside it becomes multiplication, 11 by 5, 11 get cancels off, you will be having 4 by 5. Next is P of B by A, P of A intersection B divided by P of A it will be, right? Whatever by it is that comes to a denominator. So same P of A intersection B they have given and P of A also they have given, that is 6 by 11, and when you take it up reciprocal 11 by 6 you will be having 2 by 3. I hope this much is clear for you how you have to do. Now we will proceed with our next problem. Determine E by F they are telling, and question is a coin is tossed 3 times where 3 parts they have given. In till previous problems, till your fifth problems directly they had given you, and here you have to find out, like if you consider in the words of sets means this is kind of your set builder form, previous you all have done in the roster form. Okay, so first E head on third toss, F heads on first two toss. Okay, so before that first we will get our sample space, right? A coin is tossed 3 times, so coin is tossed 3 times. So 3 times if you are tossing it means might be you will get one time head, second time tail, third time again head, or you might get head head tail, you might get tail head head. Okay, anyhow, so you have to count like this and write. So in that one short things, short formula type is there. In your sets form also they have I have shown you at the start. Now see here a coin is tossed how many times? 3 times. Now coin has how many phases? Obvious 2. So I'll write here 2 raised to n, means whatever it is 2 raised to n. So 2 raised to here how many times they have said? 3 times. So 2 raised to 3 is equal to what? 8. So how many outcomes you will get? It will be 8 outcomes. So considering 8 outcomes you have to make the pairs, right? What all how the set can be like this. Now for now coin has 2 phases. Suppose it they had given you a die. Die will be having how many phases? It will be having 6 phases, right? It will be having 6 phases. So 6 raised to n you have to do. How many times they'll tell? That many times, in such a way. Now while writing your outcomes too, even here one trick you can use, instead of once you're writing head head tail head tail head, you might get confused also. That time how you have to do is one more trick. Now outcomes are how many? 8, right? So 8 half is what? 4. So 4 times head, 4 times tails you have to write. See here I have written 1 2 3 4, 4 times heads, 4 times tail first. Okay, your first part like this, 4 times head, 4 times tail. This is your 8 half. Again 4 half is what? 2. So 2 times head, 2 times tail. 2 times head, 2 times tail. Now 2 half is 1, so 1 time head, 1 time tail, 1 time head, 1 time tail, 1 time head, 1 time tail, 1 time head, 1 time tail. So you can see you will get how many outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 outcomes you will get properly with tossed 3 times. 3 times tossing. Understood how you have to write? Even same if you have dice, how many outcomes you will get? Based on that you just divide it. If suppose you have 16, okay, 16 outcomes you are getting. So 16 half is 8. So 8 times you have to write head, 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 8 times tail, tail. Then again 8 half 4. So 4 times head, 4 times tail. In such a way you have to make your sample space. It will be easy for you guys. So that's what a solution. I have taken my sample space. First one we will see question what they are telling. Head on third toss. E, head on third toss. So probability of E, you have to check the outcomes item in which head on third toss. Whenever you're tossing, third time when you toss you should get head only. So such items which is there, such turn you see here 1. See 1 time, 2 time, third time. 1 time when you toss you got head, second time you got head, third time you got head. This only 1 time 2. So on third what you do, you should get head. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? You will get 4 and outcomes are how many? 8, right? So 4 by 8. So 8 times when you do, your on third toss head you are getting is in your 4 attempt. F what it is? Heads on first 2 tosses. Heads on first 2 tosses. When you toss first time, that time head should be there, second time also it should be head. So how many there? 1, 2. So you have only 2 by 8. You have to find E by F only, right? So for this what you need? Intersection, P intersection F. So E you have, F you have. So in this intersection how you will find? In your E they are telling head on third toss and in your F they are telling heads on first toss. So your intersection will be what? Heads on first 2 tosses only, okay? On first 2 tosses intersection. So like this how you will get heads on first 2 tosses, heads on third toss, means intersection will be 3 times also heads you should get. Like this how many are there? You have only 1. Only 1. So it will be 1 by 8. Now we will find P E by F. How it is given? P E intersection F divided by P by F. So E intersection F is 1 by 8. P of F is 2 by 8 which becomes 8 by 2. 8 8 get cancels and you will get 1 by 2. So your answer is 1 by 2. I hope I am clear how you have to do. Second one, sorry, I have written like this. Second one what they are telling, E at least 2 heads. Yes, at least 2 heads means what? It can be 2, it can be 3, so on, but 2 heads at least. At least means what? 2 and more than. So like this how many are there? At least 2 heads we have here. We have here 3 heads, so we can count this 1. Here also you have 2, 2, 3, 4, right? Okay, so how many we have? At least 2 heads, 2 or more than that we can take. So you see here you have 3, so this we can take 1. Here you have 2, 2, 3, 4. So this will be 4 by 8. Now you have P of PF. PF is what? At most 2 heads. At most means what? At most 2 heads means maximum it should be 2 only. Maximum it should be 2. So it can be 1, it can be 0, but max it should be 2. Beyond this it doesn't go. So this you should understand here. At least means in inequality means it will be what? Greater than equal to. At most is less than equal to. Means this will be increasing and this will be decreasing from what the number they have said. It will come to the 0, towards 0. This will be going upwards. You should remember this, what at least and at most tells. Okay, please remember it properly. Now see here, at least 2 means 2 and more than that you can take. At most 2 and less than that. Okay, so now Considering 2 heads, if there are, that also counting, 1 head also, if no head also you have to count. So how many you have? 2 heads. Here it is 3, so this we are not counting, except this we can take all, right? Say 2 it is, here also 2, here 1, here 2, here 1, here 1, and here nothing. So except this we can take everything. So P of f is 7 by 8, right? Now in this also P E intersection f. So in this intersection is what? Now P E intersection f. Now here you see, here at least what they are telling, 2 and 3, in at most they are telling 1, 0, 1, 2. So in this both, which is common? 2, right? So you have to consider which is having 2 heads. You have to take which is having 2 heads. So like how many are there in that? This is 1, 2, 3. So you will get 3 by 8, right? You will get 3 by 8. So now we will find P E by f in this 2. Same, you will get P intersection f divided by P of f. P intersection f is 3 by 8. P of f is 7 by 8. So 8 get cancelled. So you are having 3 by 7, right? In the same way, third, P of E will see. P of E, what it is telling? At most 2 tails. At most means what? It can be 2, it can be 1, it can be 0, right? At most 2 tails. So considering that, so this you can take 1. Here also in this, except this, everything we can take, right? 1 you have tail, here also 1, here 2 tails, here 1, here 2 tails, here 2 tails, here 3 tails. Right? Except this, you should take all, right? Here no tails, so it is 0, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. Here it is 3, so you are not considering this. They are telling now tails, okay, not heads. So how many there? 7 by 8. P of f, what it is telling? At least 1 tail. At least 1 tail means it can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3. At least 1 tail. So leaving this, everything you are taking. Leaving this, everything. So this also you will get 7 by 8. In this P of E intersection f, what you will get? Here it is 0, 1, 2, here it is 1, 2, 3. So common is 1, 2. So you have to consider in which 2 tails also, 1 tail also is there. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, so your E intersection f is what? 6 by 8. Now you have to find P E by f, which is P of E intersection f divided by P by f. So E intersection f is 6 by 8 into P of f is 8 by 7. 8 get cancelled. So your answer is 6 by 7. I hope I am clear how you have to find it. I have showed you properly. Please go through it. We'll head up to next problem. Next question, 12th one. Assume that each born child is equally likely to be a boy or a girl. If a family has 2 children, what is the conditional probability that both are girls, given that the youngest is a girl, at least one is a girl? So here they are talking about the born child. So first we will take our sample space. 2 children they are telling and boy girl they are telling. So sample space how we can take? 2. So it can be girl girl. So you can have girl boy, or it can be boy girl, or it can be boy boy, right? According to this we have made our sample space. Only this much only, right? Again we can't do because only they are telling 2 children. Now we will take our events. Okay, see here they have given us 3 events. How come? What is the condition? Probably that here one, both are girls. This we can take P of E. Okay, P of E, or if you want you write it first. E, what they are telling? Both are girls. Then you have F and G. F1 what they are telling? The youngest is a girl, and one more G, what they have given, at least one is a girl. G is what? At least 1 is a girl, right? So these 3 events they have given. So probability we will find, probability of E, probability of what they're telling, both are girls. So in this how many sample outcomes are obvious? It only 4. So in 4 both are girls is how many? Only this we have, that is 1. So you get 1 by 4. P of F, probability of F, the youngest is a girl, means the second baby which will be, that should be girl. So in this how many, in this 4 outcomes how many we have? One is this, one is this, right? So 2 only you have, so it will be 2 by 4. Next is at least 1 is a girl. At least means it should be 1 or 2. More than 2 so it can't be, because 3 option only is not there, 3 or 4 option is not there. So at least 1 girl they should be there. It can be 1 or 2. So if you see like that, you have to consider this 3 also, right? In this 2 are there, in this 1 is there, 1 girl is there. So your P of G will be, P of G is nothing, 3 by 4. So now first what they are telling, what is the conditional probability that both are girls? Both are girls means it will be E by F, right? E by F. So it will be P E intersection F divided by P of F. P E intersection F. So your E intersection F will be what? They are telling both are girls, the youngest is a girl. Both are girls, youngest is a girl. You can get only this is there. So just 1 is there, so it will be 1 divided by 4, and P of F you have already 2 divided by 4. So 4 get cancels, you are having 1 by 2, right? Second, the youngest is a girl. The youngest is a girl means P E by G you will get. P E by G, which is P E intersection G and P of G. So P E and G is youngest is a girl, means both are girls, youngest is a girl. So next probability P E of G, right? See what you are removing is, what is the condition probability of both are girls, given that means, given that the youngest is a, both are girls, first both are girls with the youngest is a girl means E by F, right? Both are girls is E and this is F, so E by F, and second time E by G. So that's what we did. Please don't get confused how you got it. Here they are telling you, given that both are girls with the conditions. So this with this with this, once with this one. So E by F, E by G. So your intersection also, both are girls, at least 1 is a girl. Both are girls, at least 1 is a girl also, you have only 1. So it will, this also will be same, 1 by 4, and P of G is what? 3 by 4. So 4 get cancels, you are having 1 by 3. I hope this is clear for you how you have to do. Next question, 14th one. Given that 2 numbers appearing on throwing 2 dice are different, find the probability of the event. The sum of the numbers on the dice is 4. So a dice, okay, when you are throwing, appearing 2 numbers will appear. As your dice phase is how much? 6, right? 6 raised to n if you take 2 numbers they are telling. So on throwing the 2 dice, so usually if you see 3 times if you do means 216, 2 times if you do you get 36. So 36. See 3 times if you do you get 216. In some problems it might come, but 216 so big we can't go. Considering it 36 only we try to find out, but whatever here they have not mentioned it, we have taken on the 36. Okay, given that 2 numbers appearing on throwing 2 dice they have said. Okay, 2 dice are different. So we can twice you can do it. 6 2 times, so it is 36 you can take. So one time first which you take, that this first numbers declares as your first die, and second numbers declared as your second die. Okay, so what they are telling, find the probability of the event. The sum of numbers on the dice is 4. Given that 2 numbers appearing on throwing 2 dice are different. 2 dice are different means your E will take event E as 2 dice are different, and your event F, what they are telling, sum of the numbers sum of the numbers on the dice is 4, and you have to find this only you have to find. So P of E, what becomes P of E? Two dice are different, so you have to consider the dice numbers which are different except the doubles which appears the same. For example, here 1 1 it is same, so this we are not considering. Except that you have to consider that dice whose numbers are different. So leaving the doublets, you call it doublets, right? 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6. Leaving this, everything you have to take it. Now if you see, it is 6. See how we are writing it? 1 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6, 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6, 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 4 3 5 3 6 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 5 4 6, 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 5 5 5 6, 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5 6. Like this you have to make it. Okay, don't get confused while making your sample space. So P of E, what it will be, except leaving the doublets, how many will be there, that you have to count, because they are telling two dice are different. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 36 minus 6, how much it will be? 30. Upon your outcomes are 36, right? P of F, what they are telling, sum of the numbers on the dice is 4. Considering such whose sum will be 4. So if you see, 3 plus 1 is 4, 2 plus 2 is 4, again here 3 plus 1 is 4. Again anything which you get 4, no, only this 3, right? 1 2 3. So you will get 3 by 36, right? They are telling you to find this only. You need your intersection, right? E intersection F, what you will get? E intersection F. Two dice are different and sum should be 4. Different dice and sum should be 4. In this, how it will be? Two dice are different, sum of the numbers on the dice is 4. Like this both intersection means these are both, so this you can't consider. You get only 1 by 3. So you will be having what? 1 comma 3 and 3 comma 1. So 2, right? So intersection F will be what? 2 divided by 36. Now you have to find your F. So we write F by E. Okay. Usually it would be P of E, where E probability you would be finding. So we used to write what? E by F. Here they have said you to find this of E probability. So you have to write F by E. So you will get probability intersection F by P by E. Intersection F is what? 2 by 36. P by E, you will get 30 by 36. So 36 get cancels. 2 1s are, 2 15s are. So you will be having 1 by 15. So your answer is 1 divided by 15. Right? I hope you have understood these problems. Please write down in notes, go through your problems carefully. So we'll end today's class here. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you, students.